What's up, y'all? This your girl Key, and I'm back with another video. So I'm about to do the sneezing prank, and we're gonna get her reaction.
That's why you choose your girl Bazan Tatiana, and we back again with another video. Today we're gonna be we're gonna be talking about hair today. Let's get
Ooh. Oh, what the world? Don't you? You good? Ain't got no boogers out there. Hold on. That booger right there. Come here so I can get it off. Come here.
No!
Hold on. Could you go get some tissue? Well, then come on so we can make this video right fast. Hurry up.
And I'm about to sit like not in my watch.
Oh, well, you're not going to be in the video.
Not in my back.
You're not going to be in the video.
Then use some tissue.
Huh? Come on. Why you got the don't throw you want me to
Come on, the virus. And it's 6 feet.
So you want me to touch the tissue and I just sneeze? When you can just get a piece. Come get the piece from me.
I'm not touching it, girl. Do it by yourself. You're gonna keep it right in here.
Because somebody else got to use it. Take it. Here.
No.
Oh my god, you just messed the video up. Y'all subscribe.